Hey guys, Devin Boundary Ford. Today we're going to show off this brand new 2022 Mustang Mach-E GT. I'm going to walk through it and point out some of the wonderful features, so let's get right into it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Starting off, powering this beauty up is a 91 kilowatt battery, which in turn gives this beast 480 horsepower and 634 pounds of torque to go with, making it one of Ford's fastest cars, going from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. And if that isn't enough to get you interested, then check this out. As we cruise our way down the side, you'll notice that your typical handle is now a more innovative push button for a more stylish look. And with it no longer needing an engine, there is even more room for storage, so traveling has never been easier. As we step into the interior, the first thing that pops out at you is a 15-inch screen with the Sync 4 and a wireless charging pad for those long drives. And with this B&O sound system, you're not going to want to get out of the vehicle. Coming fully equipped with our 360 degrees camera viewing and our advanced security package, making this not only an enjoyable but also a safe ride for both you and your family. Futuristic, efficient, and effective are three things this car is sure to offer. And of course, to get a closer look at this gorgeous ride, make sure to stop by and check it out for yourself at Boundary Ford. And if you did enjoy or found this video helpful, it would be very much appreciated if you could leave us a like, share, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more what we have in store. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.